miter gauge is a useful tool, but it's not particularly good for cross-cutting long boards. The face of the miter gauge is only about 6 inches wide, and it just doesn't give enough guiding surface for a long piece of wood that has to drag across the table. For that, you need a sliding table like this. It's also called a sled. Now, this is Shopsmith sled, and to it we've added a few things to make it even more useful. We screwed a piece of wood that is 1 3/16 of an inch thick, 2 13/16 of an inch tall, and 36 inches long to the face of the fence, and to the top of it we attached a T-track. This T-track holds a stop that you can slide back and forth, and if you don't need it, you can flip it out of the way. This helps you duplicate pieces when you need to. The T-track is only 24 inches long, so what we did is we double drilled the top so we can move the T-track from one end of the wooden fence to the other if we need to. Now, in addition to this track, we've also got a rabbet down here. And the rabbet is 3/32 of an inch deep and 7/16 of an inch wide. And in that rabbet, we put a magnetic strip with a self-adhesive back. This holds the same magnetic strip that you use on the table of your Shopsmith 520. This magnetic strip will help you position boards so you can cut them to precise lengths. But first of all, you've got to position the magnetic strip. Take a rule from a combination square. These things are exactly 1 inch wide. And move the strip up so that it's even with the one end of the rule. And then move the steel rule back and forth until the 1 inch mark lines up with the corner of the rule from the combination square. There it is, set precisely. Okay. Take a board, and let's say we want to cut this board exactly 12 inches long. Line up one end of the board with the 12-inch mark. Hold it in place. Put your guard in place. Turn on the saw. Precisely 12 inches. At Shopsmith's website, you'll find dozens of free videos on all kinds of woodworking projects, from preparing lumber to applying a finish. Twice a month, we webcast a 2-hour sawdust session where you can ask questions and get woodworking help right over your computer. To find out more, come visit us at shopsmith.com.